all the time will remain hoping for vaccines to eradicate any kind of disease and to protect the humanity from any illnesses and sicknesses that germs are causing. However, we don't expect till months to come that a vaccine will be available. Hopefully that they will fast track the usual stages and procedures that are required to approve a vaccine. But we are anticipating, in fact, lots of announcements and news and releases that a vaccine is on the way, a trial is currently conducted, a company announcing a trial or a medication that's used on a group of patients. These are all expected in this period, yet nothing at the moment is officially approved. The Kingdom, among few other countries, were the first in making these tests, very sophisticated tests related to testing the genome and the genetics of the virus available. So we have it at the Kingdom, and we are doing it according to a guideline that will not only cover the highly suspected cases, even wider, so we can screen a good number of cases, and this will give us, high rate of detection and early detection of cases. The capacity of healthcare services is monitored all the time to match any expected rise in the cases. We are not alone in this world. We are surrounded by multiple countries in the region or around the whole world, and the number of cases is increasing by day, by hours, in fact, and in minutes. And this increment, we are not expecting that it will pass without stressing a little bit the healthcare services. However, managing the capacity, making all the preparedness required will keep us, inshallah, in a safe zone. Around the whole world, globally, now we are passing through a pandemic. The pandemia in this world is already announced by WHO in response not to this pandemic status, in response very early, since the beginning of announcements of few cases that were detected in the beginning in China. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia started multiple and series of interventions to protect this community. These protective measures for the whole community, aiming to protect its public health, are gaining so far multiple benefits, producing to us, and we are monitoring and witnessing lots of good things at the moment. Hopefully, inshallah, this will continue. However, all these efforts that the government is implementing, similar only to few other countries in the world, going to be totally dependent on the response of individuals and the compliance of individuals to the recommendations that Ministry of Health are announcing and outreaching to all the community with. And these recommendations are very strictly related to etiquettes that are, related to health behaviors, staying as much as possible at homes, avoiding any kind of gatherings, plus those who are coming from outside the country, they need to remain at home, isolated, or in the appropriate health isolation areas for at least 14 days.